The metaphor assignment is located on the content page under essay assignments. So there's the metaphor assignment right there. And for this assignment, you're going to hand draw a picture that represents what success in this class looks like. What has brought you to this point where you're in Comp 1? What kind of foundation do you have to succeed in the class? What kind of people do you have on your side, including your teachers and everybody who got you into this class? It takes a lot just to make the class happen and get the students in the class and get me in the class, right? So all the things that kind of support you and are going to help you enable to succeed in the course. And once you draw it, you're going to label it so I understand what everything's supposed to represent. And you don't have to be a great artist. I can only draw stick figures. That's the best I can do. Sometimes I have to explain what my stick figures are doing. So you gotta kind of create that metaphor or simile. Success in my class will look like what, and then draw the picture. To give you some examples, from beginning. Success might look like musical notes, and notice he's labeled the different notes in the bars, and kind of makes sense that when things are going well and you're being successful, it feels like music being played. Might look like a dapple-colored tree of life. Good one. You don't have to do color if you don't want to, but this student chose to, and it looks good. One thing she didn't label the sun, which is kind of odd, but notice she has everything labeled, what success looks like, how she's going to get there, where the support is coming from, and what that actually looks like. You come into a freshman year feeling like a little fish, but the more confidence you get, the more things you learn, how things work, just like high school, right? And pretty soon you're a big fish eating up the school. This one's about how to blow a bubble. Again, there's how you set it up is kind of up to you, as long as I can look at it and figure it out. But stick figures are fine. She has a whole process. First this, then that, then thirdly, then fourthly, and then here comes the big bubble, and that's what success is going to look like to her. Pretty good little diagram, right? I think somebody traced this off the screen on the computer. Be careful doing that. Don't ruin your computer. Again, I'm not looking for the greatest picture ever, so whichever way you want to go. Some people are good artists, though. But notice the labeling, what everything represents: the boat, the fish, the pole. The rod. Not much of a fisherman, and all the different parts to the person, contributing to what success looks like in the course. It might look like a burning candle, going from a baby duck to a grown-up duck. It's kind of a fun one. Hold on. Might be a dolphin leaping for the first time. Here she kind of did the drawing, then explained everything underneath it. I almost prefer you label the drawing itself, but it's kind of up to you. Here we got an artist showing success is going to look like a car in motion, and again labeling all the different pieces, parts. It's like giving birth, but you kind of get the idea there. And again, you notice not everybody's the great artist here, but that's the way the assignment should look. Again, just showing what success will look like in the course, and hopefully it's a little fun. Don't spend 50 hours on this, but have a little fun, kind of get that vision thing going, and see what success might look like to you. If you have any questions about it, be sure to let me know. And if you get stuck on it, we'll work on it on Wednesday during class. But if you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.